Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, you might have noticed that the entire market has been extremely volatile, including Bitcoin, where it actually broke below the critical support of 96,000, but it was able to recover very quickly, suggesting that the limit orders did get triggered at the price of 96,000 and now is trying to consolidate above the critical to make sure that it's able to stay over that support, and the next leg is very good. One thing that is definitely driving the market right now is the amount of news which are dropping, which will heavily impact the crypto market. First of all, if you look at the fear to the grid index, it's sitting at 37, which is good, but the dominance of Bitcoin is definitely grown in the last 24 hours, suggesting that the entire altcoin market is seeing an outflow of cash. And that can also be seen how Dogecoin is struggling to stay over the 25 cents. There are some big news. First of all, Pro Crypto officially confirmed as the Secretary of Commerce. Binance CEO says US plans on hold until regulations become more clear. Donald Trump just posted about Ripple and XRP. Michael Saylor's strategy to raise $2 billion to purchase more Bitcoin, and Dogecoin tests 25 cents. Is a breakout rally possible? And Google's planned Bitcoin integration to simplify crypto for billionaires. And you guys know when billionaires get a little bit of access to money, they want more. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video to support the YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up. All of us make a lot of profit, so make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about the Dogecoin price action, because it is pretty much defining how the entire crypto market is doing in the last 24 hours. Now you can see that there was a little bit of a buying order that was actually taking place, and then there was another sell-off. From there, you can see the market is slowly trying to recover and ensure that it stays in a consolidation phase. But if you look at the overall trend, it's very clear after the news dropped, which was a little bit of a tease that we might be getting the ETF for Dogecoin and the ETF for XRP. There was a really strong buying pressure, but then the sell-off is really strong because it has put the Dogecoin market into a downtrend. Now, if you look at the overall market, something similar is actually happening with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin keeps struggling to keep this critical support of 96,000. Few times now we have actually fallen below this, but every single time we're able to recover. Now you can see this volatile market, which we notice we actually fell all the way to 93,000. That risky play, or maybe a lot of people must have bought their buy orders around there, and then we were able to recover. Another thing that's important for you to understand is if we break below 96,000, the only support we have left is close to 93,000, which was pretty much tested right here. But next time around, if we see a really strong sell-off, maybe we might be able to break below this and actually experience even a lower price for Bitcoin. Personally, if you ask me, I'm extremely optimistic about the Dogecoin, Bitcoin, everything's price, but I like to be more realistic to give you a buying opportunity and maybe an opportunity to make more profit. Now, if you look at the way Bitcoin price did climb, you can see that other than like close to 92,000, we did not experience any sort of hiccup, and pretty much 88 is the one. So if you look at the overall idea, you can see that if we break below 96,000, the next one's going to be close to 92,000 and then 88,000. If we fall below that, the only support we're going to be falling down to is close to 68, which was the previous all-time high before the one that we made currently in this bull market. So you need to understand the whales are going to be trying to sell off, and personally, if you look at the open interest, it's holding really strong, close to 30 billion, and the amount of extreme leverage plays that's being played right now is going to definitely impact the market in a very extremely volatile way. I mean, 65% of the long traders right now, out of all the open interest, 65% is going for the long traders. That means a really strong sell-off for Bitcoin can definitely impact the entire crypto market into a sell-off period. And pro-crypto officially confirmed as Secretary of Commerce. So you can see that pro-Bitcoin, pro-crypto, there's just so many different people who really are strongly in favor of crypto becoming part of the US government. And that's why so many countries around the world are also trying to get their regulations in favor of crypto so they can be ready for the next boom. And the Binance CEO says US plans on hold until regulations become clearer. So he's waiting for a concrete regulation from the US before making any other play to re-enter the US market. The exchange is currently considering 2 locations to set up the global headquarters. Binance reduced its US operations following its $4 billion settlement with the government. So right now, it's definitely, trying to make it more clear in terms of what is expected from the government in the coming time. And Elon Musk to discuss the Doge dividend tax refund for every taxpayer with President Trump. That's a huge statement because he loves to include Doge in everything he possibly can, and seeing that he is going to be having some sort of tax refund to majority of the population, it's definitely going to be helping a lot of people. And Trump reads list of US government fraud uncovered by Elon Musk as Doge. This is all fraud. Now, just to give you perspective, this was all started as a joke, but when Trump was able to get Elon involved into the government, seeing how much has happened, it's definitely a little bit surprising. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not from America, but President Trump seeks to ban China from purchasing American farmlands. Now, this is huge because there's just too many sanctions, there's too many tariffs, and there's going to be too many bans coming towards China, which is causing the instability in or entire crypto market and the stock market. Everything is becoming a little bit more unstable due to Trump being so significantly outspoken. And 870 billion asset manager expects more souvenir wealth funds to start buying Bitcoin. Now, if you guys do not know, Russia and American, a lot of diplomats did actually meet trying to figure out some sort of solution in terms of both the countries starting to work together. And this could be huge because if they start working together, you guys know that in the future, it can definitely impact the entire global market in a positive way. And the amount of money flowing through would be very good. And whales bought 150 million XRP in the last 48 hours. And to give you perspective, currently XRP price is just like about $2.50. So that's a lot of money that was thrown into the XRP market. And Bitcoin long-term holders are in denial, a phase that has historically pre-fed major market shift. So right now, there's a lot of things which is going to happen. It's going to be a very volatile market, especially if you're going to be leverage trading. I would recommend you calm down and don't take very strong leverage plays. Hong Kong crypto regulations pioneers a new financial frontier in Asia. So as you can see, Hong Kong is trying to lead this, whatever is happening with crypto to the entire market, and also especially to Asia. And crypto firms must go public to gain Wall Street's trust. And I personally do agree with this statement very strongly. Other than that, everything I said is not financial advice. I just like to give my personal opinion. So it's your money, do your own research. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.